guys, so me and Richard just went to the gym and did a good like quick 30-minute workout, and I just made myself a smoothie for dinner. I had a good lunch, so I was like, you know what, I don't want to eat anything heavy right now, so I just made myself a smoothie, and that's pretty much good for me. Tomorrow is actually going to be a busy day for me. So tomorrow I go back to the art district. My friend does facials in the art district. I'm going to show you where she's at and everything. That way, if you do live downtown, definitely go to her. She is amazing. She's not only a waxer, but she's a she does facials and stuff. So I do content for her. And we just like, yeah, we just kind of like go back and forth and stuff. And I get to see Rose, which is like one of my good friends. And then later, tomorrow night, we go to Summerlin because they hold this like, I think it's something to do with Halloween, I'm pretty sure. I mean, I might be wrong, but yeah, they do it Friday and Saturday. So we're gonna go and check it out. But yeah, you guys, also, I have been using the Skin by Kim, her skincare line, and I'm always iffy when I buy celebrity skincare because, you know, you just never know. Sometimes I think they just slap their name on it and stuff, but so far so good. Like, the skin looks pretty healthy and very moisturized. And also I did get a facial about a week ago with one of my other good friends. She's also a waxer and she does facials as well. I went to her name is Cecilia, and she owns the Bear Cactus. She did like a dermaplaning and then like a hydroderm. I could be wrong, oh my god, I'm so bad with names. But man, she took out all the gunk on my nose area here because that's where I get the most congested. And you guys, ever since that facial, like, look at that. And she gave me 2 products to use, and it was samples just to see if I like them. Love them. So I'm gonna buy some when I go see her next. But I want to do like regular facials with her just because I feel like my skin always suffers in this desert heat. So there's no, like, I try my very best to drink as much water and to put moisturizer, but I just sometimes cannot keep up with this type of weather. It's very drying, and I myself come from Sydney, so I come from like a very tropical weather, which is, yeah, it was always a thing for me because I went from Sydney to Tucson, and Tucson and Las Vegas have like similar weather. So it's been rough on my skin and my hair, but yeah, you guys, she like, look. And then I did the facial with her on a Wednesday, and I got the Skin by Kim products on Friday, and I've been using them every day just to see if I like them, and so far so good. You know, I'm gonna give it a good month before I do like a review on it, but I'm actually very impressed by the products. I just got the basic one because I was like, you know what, let me see if I'm going to like them, but I'm actually quite impressed. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna enjoy my dinner with Ozzy and my husband, and we're gonna finish watching Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory, so let's go. Alright guys, we're gonna check out the parade, so let's go. Woo! We missed the time. We sure did. Pink iPhone. We have the mothership right here.
We have this, so we can do 1 or 2.
Yeah.
Which will be pizza.
Ooh. Let's go to Trader Joe's.
Trader Joe's.
Yeah.
Okay.
one I had last time. That is cool. That one's cool.
That looks pretty cool.
That looks really cool. Look, I wanted the peach one. That's pretty cool though. I got the Bobby one.
Post-workout, soak in magnesium and corn.
Ooh, you can look this one.
Okay.
Is that the one you got?
Yes.
Sweet. You know your mom would buy that. This shoe is pretty badass. Look how cool these ones are. I actually like them. That's pretty cool.
Oh, look. This is actually like the shoe that... like this
My
one,
Vans.
Yeah, this one looks like that. Look at this one here.
Kind of. I just don't like this here.
The fuzzy. Before, so you've seen that machine before.
I'm just looking for the cookies. And that looks good. You should get some. Okay guys, we're gonna try some of this chicken and chimichurri empanadas. I know. Look, I got that one. Look at the mochis. I freaking love it. I'm going crazy. I don't know, that looks good. Hey guys, so guess where me and Richard went? Trader Joe's. We went to the Summerlin parade and we actually missed it, so we were like, let's just walk around and see what we can find. And we were so hungry that we ended up stopping at Trader Joe's. So Richard got Korean style beef short ribs. That just sounds so good. Got some sour cream. And then for a little bit of a treat, we got this lava cake. I personally got the beef pho soup because I love, back home we say beef noodle soup, but here I think it's pho. So I got me some of this. And then I got the chicken and chimichurri empanada. That's what I got. Ooh, I got my pork dumplings. So that's one. Then Richard got this, which looks so good because it's with beef. And then you guys, me and Richard used to devour these, like devour them. Then got some mochis because I love mochi so much. The strawberry ice cream, oh, it's so good. All right, we're hungry, so let's eat. Christmas tree.
Tree.
That's not bad. That's humongous for that price.
That's too big.
That's too big. No, this one is just perfect for us. But that one was huge. I like that one. And they got the Hogwarts right there.
It's less than 30 bucks. It's a good one.
Really? Oh yeah, that's $12.98 and that's 14. That's not bad. I really like these pins. They're freaking cool. That is $14.98. They got really cool stuff.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's cool.
The Flintstones, but look, now there's like a lot of cars around.
I know. Alright guys, so we just came from Walmart. We're going home now. And I'm gonna juice. So, let's go.